So my teardrop love story actually started when I met my wife, May. And she kind of knew what she was getting into. I mean, I spend all my time out here, but once we got married, she realized like all this backpacking and roughing it was a little more than she desired. And so I wanted to find a way where we could both come together out here and appreciate this and spend time together. And she did too. And one day she's thumbing through, I think it was Sunset magazine, and she sees this picture of a teardrop trailer on the coast of Oregon, and she was hooked. She says, I'll do it. Give me one of those and I'll go out there. And that was the start. That was kind of the change for our family. And I say family, all four of us sleep in that little teardrop trailer. And we're spending our time out here. This is kind of our second home. We get to just throw everything in the trailer, get out of the hustle and bustle, and be in this. I mean, listen to it. You get to slow down and hear the birds again. You get to be close to the earth. You get to pick up skills you never thought you even wanted or needed. You get to teach them to your kids. You get to pass those on. I don't know if I could actually pick a favorite destination. To me, everywhere we've gone has been so beautiful, from the glaciers of Alaska and the whales, to the rolling hills and the cowboy country of Wyoming and the mountains of Colorado. But what really sticks in my mind is the food. It's those meals that we make. It's that kitchen set in a backdrop like this that's really hard to beat with this life. What I really love about the teardrop life is the simplicity. It doesn't take much to be comfortable out here and yet still have a little creature comforts from home. The first time we ran into BougeRV, it was actually watching Bob Wells' channel, Cheap RV Living. He has a channel where his audience are living on a fixed income. Most of them are living off of Social Security, out of a van, out of a car. And so he's really conscious about how do you live out here on a budget, but still have products that work. And so he started highlighting a lot of Bouge products, and that's where I first picked up the 300 watt power station. The beauty of a 300 to 500 watt is that they're small, they're easy to carry around, but it's enough power. It's all we need out here to run lights, charge your batteries, run your laptop. You pair that with some sort of solar panel and your energy out here is endless. The other thing we picked up was that other panel from Bouge. I think it's called the CGIS, but it's not your typical panel when it comes to solar because it has a better efficiency in low light. So when you're camping out here, a lot of times there's shade, there's rainy days, you're under trees at your campsite. And so having a panel that's really efficient that can draw from the sun when the conditions aren't right are pretty huge, because that means you just get to stay out here longer. But if you haven't got out here yet, just do it. What are you waiting for? Life is short, life is busy, chaotic, hectic. You get out here for a week, 2 days, it's gonna change your pace of life. It's gonna slow you down. It's gonna allow you to hear the birds again, to listen to the small things in life, to pay attention. That's going to give you new skill sets. It's going to give you a new appreciation for why we protect these beautiful lands. You're going to be able to pass that on to your kids. You're going to instill a love for the outdoors for them so they can balance, all the anxiety and the mental health stuff that's just going on. This is where you reset. This is where you unplug. So I may sound sappy, but this is it. This is the life we live. It's not hard. I'm a content creator. This is my job. And I'm here because I love it.